I don't have time to rehearse my presentation. I hear this a lot. People feeling super stressed. We're in back-to-back meetings, in and online. Somehow online world is more stressful and we have less time than ever before. This is why I like to practice my presentations and talk out loud while I'm doing things like ironing or doing the dishes or taking a shower. These are things that I used to do when I used to do a lot of monologues as an actor, monologue auditions. I used to do the monologues everywhere, so they were totally in me, in my body. And I can do it while I'm doing the dishes. Then hey, I can go in any situation, no matter how nervous I am, how many eyes are on me or the camera, and deliver it with confidence and trust that it's inside of me. So if you feel like you don't have time to rehearse, do it while you're doing anything else. Because what I'm seeing right now is people spending so much time on getting the slides together and the presenter notes together. And then when you go into the meeting, it's coming out of your mouth for the very first time. Not ideal, right? It's gonna come out, it shouldn't come out the first time. So what I want you to do, can you take that away for a sec? So what I'd like you to do is take any time while you're doing anything, like ironing. I don't know, not my slippers. How's it look? Take this time to talk out loud and let me know how it goes. And it'll set you off with confidence. Shit.